Okay, may message dito si Ma'am Rem Sagire. And she has, what do you call, ay hindi, tapos na pala. Operahan na siya for a case of aneurysm. It may either be nagkaroon siya ng clipping para lang din ma-stop yung aneurysm or ma-correct natin yung aneurysm. Ano ba ang aneurysm? So, ang aneurysm ay pagkahina ng isang wall ng blood vessel, specifically sa my brain. Maraming blood vessels sa brain and once nagkaroon ng weakness doon, it might dilate or lolobo. Okay? Ang pinaka-worst na pwede mangyari dyan is magkaroon ka ng ruptured aneurysm. For an aneurysm to be evident, it can be genetic na pwedeng inheritable. May mga risks sa family na pwedeng mag-cause, mag-develop ng aneurysm. Pwede rin because of uncontrolled conditions like your uncontrolled hypertension. Depende yan sa lifestyle ng isang individual. Now, aneurysm can develop full-blown to a hemorrhagic stroke. Yun yung ayaw natin mangyari in the future. No, lalo na kung mag-rupture siya. Now, medications are important for you to control your blood pressure and to prevent any fatal or catastrophic events about the fate of an aneurysm. The only fate of an aneurysm that I can think of that can be detrimental and fatal is a ruptured aneurysm, di ba? Pag pumutok yan, you have to be very fast to clip any ruptured aneurysm. And again, it requires a lot of follow-ups, especially you have to monitor if ever may lumalaki ang mga dilations or may mga presentations of symptoms like neurologic symptoms, frequent headaches, ganun. And it should always be backed with the management with a neurologist, an internist. If you have a primary care physician like a family medicine specialist, it's also important para lang din mag-guide kayo in a way of managing your condition. Kasi maraming specialty dapat na on board in managing your condition. And again, it's important that we do more prevention, okay, of the complications in the future. Aneurysms are not common in most cases, but if there is a case of aneurysm, we have to be more strict. Let's say, kung sinabing you have to correct your diet if you are fan too much of fatty or salty foods that can worsen your hypertension, kailangan mong baguhin yun. Okay? And again, if you have medications, stick to your medications, take them on time, take them regularly, and to go back to your follow-up schedules as advised by your doctor. Again, this is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life.